your lawn is gross. I'm kidding, kind of. Now that spring has sprung, it's really time to start thinking about your lawn. Unfortunately, traditional lawn care methods are often detrimental to the environment, leaving behind nasty chemicals that end up in our groundwater or kill friendly insects such as honeybees. Plus, the work required to maintain a lawn often adds copious amounts of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. However, there are alternatives to creating a beautiful lawn that aren't so hard on the environment. Hey, I'm Julie Sabry with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and here are 4 easy tips to create a green lawn in a green way. 1. Use organic lawn fertilizer. A simple Google search yields plenty of results for organic lawn fertilizers. The difference being that organic fertilizers are composed of only plant or animal-based materials that are either a byproduct or an end product of a naturally occurring process. Inorganic fertilizers are manufactured artificially and contain minerals or synthetic chemicals that help the plant in the short term but add nothing to the soil for the long term. And that's the big difference. You'll pay less up front for the synthetic stuff, but each year you'll only rely more and more on those short-term fixes. Organic fertilizer is more expensive, but promotes a much more nutrient-rich soil in the long term, meaning each year the grass will come back better and better. 2. Leave your lawn clippings. Capturing and removing your cut grass may leave a cleaner looking lawn as soon as you're done, but those clippings are packed with nutrients that once decomposed, they help the soil stay healthy and will continue to feed your lawn. If you remove them, you're removing another source of food that your grass can use. 3. Use a battery-powered mower and trimmer. Using a gas-powered lawnmower for 1 hour has the same carbon footprint as a 100-mile car ride. Crazy, right? And now that battery-powered motors are powerful and competitively priced, the next time you're in the market for a mower, don't discount the battery-powered ones. 4. If you have mole issues, use diatomaceous earth. Molehills are a lawn's worst enemy. Moles dig tunnels under your yard and tear up that grass that you've spent all summer cultivating. Instead of dropping poison to kill the moles, which can also harm other wildlife, use diatomaceous earth instead. Just take a spoonful and drop it inside of their little tunnels. The scratchy substance will get all over them and force them to move on to other areas and away from your lawn. Make sure you get the food grade diatomaceous earth and take necessary precautions when using it, as it's not something you want to inhale. Just a couple of simple steps to keep both your lawn and the earth happy. Feel free to share this video with any lawn lover in your life. Thanks for watching.